Got both of them.
Wow.
He's grinding my teeth.
Look at this.
I would just like to take this moment to record that my husband said he was wrong.
No, I didn't.
Yes, he did. He's trying to deny it. He said it. He said he was wrong. I'm gonna go ahead and tell on myself a little bit. I've just been dancing around the kitchen singing the Wicked Witch song from The Wizard of Oz. Yeah, I'm bored when I'm home alone sometimes. Hubby's stuck working late today, so I figured I'd do him a favor. Yep, just taking my lawnmower out for a walk. Yep. I thought it needed some exercise. I'm taking it for a walk. Anybody else do this so that you don't have to sweep off your sidewalk after you're done? Blow it all out toward the street. There's a raccoon on my porch. Okay, I've started feeding Tempcat on the porch because it's easier to just reach some food out my bedroom window and feed her. And there's a raccoon after her food, and it's right there on the porch. So yeah, I know raccoons run around my neighborhood a lot. Oh my gosh, it's still out there. Oh, I wish you could see it. I need a flashlight or something, but I'm afraid I'll scare it away. Well, not like that would be a bad thing, but anyway, I only put out not even half a handful of food for the cat so that she can eat it all, and there's not any left sitting out to tempt a coon. But I guess since it's night, the raccoon doesn't care, and it's here trying to eat while Tempcat is here. So far they're not fighting. I know what I'll do. There it is. Hi, raccoon. Bye, raccoon. Ha ha ha. I'm a genius. I'm hanging out my bedroom window because the top pane or sash or whatever you call it, it comes down so that you can clean it. So yay, I was able to hang out without letting my dog out to get the raccoon. Yay. I biked a mile to school, over a mile, and over a mile back, and this guy decides we're going for a bike ride. Yeah, I'm having loads of fun. My leg was like, screw you! I killed it. It's done.
You didn't kill it.
It says it hurts.
It's just not used to doing this no more. I'll mute myself.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Ew, don't lick them! Do you know how many people you just licked? About 15 people. Do you realize that? Ew.
They taste good. Must eat. Ah!
Run for your lives! Run! Run away! Run quickly! Run, run, run! This is you running! Run, run, run away! Run away! Run away! I'm so sorry about that. I'm even more sorry about the fact that I'm gonna actually make you watch it.
Do the bumpity bumpity.
What's this?
Bug. Him. A bug can him.
No, that's not an I. Yes.
What's this?
Can the audience read it?
I
Bumpity
cannot
bum.
do that. My leg just tensed up.
Bumpity.
I
This
told you I can't do that. My leg just tensed up. What is this sentence?
It will.
No funny games now.
Big in the.
No.
It's not a
letters? What letter is that?
Dig in the. That's not mug. No way. How can a bug dig in mug?
It's not
No.
mug. What word is that?
Sound it out.
Mud.
There you go.
Yay.
Do the bumpity.
This is kindergarten homework in the Wolf household.
And what's this one?
A but can do a lot.
Yay!
Very good.
Good morning to me. Road work. Smile, you're on YouTube, noisy workman. They'll never knew.
I want to scribble with tar too. Can I scribble with the tar? That looks like fun. Pause it with the button. We gotta go. We got to go. Pause it with the button. You got to pause the TV. We got to go. Come on, Jeffro. We got to get to the car.
Pause this.
We got to go get in the car. The audience can look at the wall. The wall looks pretty, and I don't have to edit the wall.
Pause this and this.
I'll just put a big box right there. My finger looks very big when this is zoomed in. I'm putting a big box right there. Big box. Good God, I'm free. Oh, this lady at the register was driving me nuts. She wanted to pay with her card for something, didn't have the funds. She had the freaking cash in her purse. Oh. Okay, fine. I don't know, I'm following you. Anyway, I'm with my mother doing some shopping, and good God. I was curious to see if I could fit. I could ride this way. Here, get it.
Wow.
Hi.
Need we say more? And how old are we, Mommy?
I'm 4. I'm 4 years old. I'd really talk for my age, but I'm 4 years old.
I would say we had a peeping Tom, but she's a girl. She's not a tomcat. I am. I'm saving you for all posterity on the internet.
Yeah, she's videotaping you.
Oh, come on! I want to see if it eats chocolate.
No, do not give it chocolate at all.
Why?
It's been eating drop chips and bread for years, but chocolate can be bad for a lot of animals.
Yeah. Guys, we need to hurry up and finish eating. Why?
Hi, Peacock.
Whoa.
He's just chilling.
Pet it.
No, they don't let you get that close.
Okay, I try over here. Hello, hi, hi, hello, hi, hi. Oh, you're not watching. Over here. Hello, hi, hi. I want to say hi. Hello, hi, hi. Have a nice day. Hello.
We're at the school field trip to the zoo. Everywhere there are waterfalls, it is so much cooler. I love it. You can learn while you're in the restroom. It was rushed, it was chaos, but we did it. We only had 3 hours to see as much of the zoo as we could. We saw a lot of it. There's another one in there somewhere. You guys are talkative. These guys just chill here all day and don't offer to fly away. I don't know if their wings are clipped or not.
Better say my camera
Okay, get the sweat off my fingers too.
Now I feel like one of you guys.
It's like, what is in your hair? You have so much extra fur. Oh, you like the camera, huh? It's like, what is this in my face?
See the one on this lady's shoulder? Let's see if she wants to eat.
Oh no, that was weird.
All up in the ears. He's getting straight. He's biting the camera. Hello.
If you want, we can help take a picture too.
I'm getting video right now.
Oh, thank you. What was it?
Black.
I'm being groomed. And what kind of bird are the red ones?
These are cardinal lorikeets.
Ah.
You want me to see Pokemon? What do you think?
Aw.
Love you. Thanks for the picture. You're very welcome. That's what it's all about.
Hello. Come on. Want to come over? Want to come over? Yes, I have glasses. You like this?
For the cardinals.
Glasses are crunchy. Yes, glasses are crunchy. Hello. Yep, that's here. Aw, there we go. There we go. Hi. Am I still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're being groomed by a bird.
A cardinal lorikeet.
Okay, do I just touch that thing? Yeah. Ready? It's $1 too. Got both of them.
Wow.
He's grooming my teeth.
Look at this.
This is what I get for smiling for a picture. He was grooming my teeth.
Yep.
This is what I get for trying to get in a position to take a picture.
That he left me.
Respond?
I do not know. I don't like them escalators. I'm taking the stairs. I'm taking the stairs. I'm taking the stairs. Stairs, 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 stairs. Well, we're done at the zoo. You still have bird spit on you. How'd you like making out with the bird? Yeah, making out with the birds was interesting. I'm home. Home smells awesome. I feel kind of sorry for this church youth group that we just passed that's having a fundraiser. It said youth car wash and bake sale. Well, look at our weather. Okay. See that? It's raining. They don't need the car wash now. So since we've been waiting to turn here for the last 3 or 4 minutes, we're gonna tell you what we're up to. We're in a little town called Trenton, and they are having a town-wide yard sale. So we're browsing around, seeing if we can find any goodies. We found a few little things so far.